No. Hi, Miss Huddle.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Sexton. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, but I got this math problem wrong. See the big red check right here?
See
Yeah.
that.
And I don't understand why I got it wrong because I subtracted 22 from 1001 just like the problem told me to. I did all my regrouping right. I know, I checked it.
Yeah, you sure did.
And these math facts are correct, so I don't know what I did wrong.
Miss Sexton, can you please read me the problem one more time?
Subtract 22 from 1001.
22 what?
Oh, it says 22 tens.
Oh my
I don't know what that means
though. Mrs. Sexton, what you did, I would argue, is subtracted 22 ones from the problem.
Oh, you're right. I didn't subtract 22 tens. But what does that mean?
All right, so Miss Sexton,
What's 22 tens?
us teachers.
Is it like 32?
Let's see. Let's check it out. So us teachers here do something called an HTO chart. I'm sure you've seen it before.
Like water.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just like water. HTO. And this stands for hundreds, tens,
and ones.
and
I know
ones.
that.
You know that.
Okay.
And what I'm going to show you today is I'm going to put 22 tens in the tens column.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
That's too many tens, Miss Huddle. You
are
keep telling me we can't have that many.
Right. You are so right. There's too many tens. We work in the United States of America in base 10. Which means that every single time we get 10 or more in a column, we need to do an even exchange. So,
Right.
Mrs. Sexton, pretend like I drove to the bank today and I said that I would like to trade in my $100 bill for tens. And I want it to be a fair, even trade. How many tens would I need if I gave the banker a $100 bill?
10.
10 tens. So each and every time I get 10 tens, I need 100.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try my best. I know there's 8 there. And 2 more is 10. Oh, I should have drawn bigger because it's just little tiny dots. Okay, so there's 100. Trade it in.
Got it.
1, 2, ooh, Miss Huddle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 right here. And that is a second 100.
Oh.
Okay, so there's 2 hundreds. And you see these? That's a dot right there. So how many are left in the 10?
2.
So 2 tens. So I have 0 ones. I have 200 and 200.
202?
202 tens. So we say 10.
220.
Yeah, 10, 20. So we have 220.
Okay.
So what we're going to do instead... what did you just hear? What did you just decide?
I was supposed to subtract 220. Because I forgot about the... Oh.
Look at that. So every single time we have 10 tens, we traded in for 100.
Ah, okay.
And you know what's really, really cool, Miss Sexton?
What?
Is that a lot of your scholars noticed that when we say 22 tens, it's always going to be a 0 after the number that we're asking. So 22 tens, 220, 24 tens, 240, 26 tens,
260.
30 tens,
300.
300, that's right. And it moves over one place value and has a 0 in the ones each and every time.
Awesome.
All right, so how about you show me subtracting with 220 at 22
Okay,
tens.
I can do this.
Yay!
But I'm not sure that I have enough room.
I think
so
we
I'm
should
gonna get
erase.
another paper.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, here's my new paper. So on this paper, I still have 1001.
That's right.
That was my number that I was subtracting, and I'm taking away 22 tens, which is 220.
That's right.
Oh, thank you, Miss Huddle.
That's
Hey,
right.
I don't have to regroup.
Oh, thank
1
goodness.
minus 0 is 1. Oh, I do.
Not enough.
0 minus 2. All right, so I have no thousands. That gives me 10 hundreds. That doesn't help me subtract my tens, though.
Nope.
So I have to borrow 1. That leaves me with 9 hundreds, which gives me 10 tens.
Now you can work.
All right, 10 minus 2 is 8, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Oh, 781.
Hey, that is correct.
Different than my answer
That's
last
right.
time.
So our strategy...
Yes, I got it right.
You did. Our strategy this time was to draw a hundreds, tens, and ones chart to
Yay.
visualize that exchange of 10 tens for 100.
I really liked that H2O chart, Miss Huddle. I mean HTO. Sorry. All right.
Miss Sexton's thirsty for water.
That's super useful that I can do at home or I can do on the side of my paper if the problem like this comes up on my test and I forget your cool little trick of just adding a 0 on the end.
That's right.
All right. Should we give our scholars a problem like this to do at home?
I think so.
Okay. What should it be? Subtracting again?
Yes.
Subtract.
What do you think?
44 tens.
44 tens
From what number?
from 4,000.
Whoa.
Lucky number 4.
From 4,000. Oh. From 4,000.
That's right.
All right. And what do I get if I do this at home and bring it to you?
You get a big teacher high five. Give your teacher high five.
I can't wait. I love your high fives. All right.
That's
We
one
high
right
five.
there. Come show us your work, students.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.